Welcome guys. In this video I'll show you how to set up and use the MT5, that is the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Also I will explain to you the following: take profit, stop loss, and other types. So first, let's begin with the MT5 trading platform. Now to download MT5, you simply go to your Google Play Store and search for MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5. Yeah. So you simply click on install, but I already have it installed in my phone, so I'm just going to click open. Okay, they're asking me for an update first, so let me just quickly update the app. Okay, I'm done updating the app, so I'll just click on open right now. So the first time you open your MT5 on your mobile device, they will automatically set up a demo account for you. Now this just follow the instruction you see on your screen. Like right now, click on accept, open a demo account. Now this demo account, it provides virtual funds to practice trading in real market conditions. So thereby it helps beginners to learn and test strategies without any financial risks. Okay, so this is how the MT5 trading platform looks like. You can see it created a demo account for me already, and you can see the amounts. The virtual funds I have in this demo account right now is 10,000 British pound. That's GBP. Okay, now let me explain to you everything about this MT5 application. There's also another trading platform called MT4, but I personally prefer this MT5 because it has more features compared to MT4. Okay, so here you can see okay, at the bottom part of the app you can see quotes, charts, trade history, messages. So I'll begin with quotes. Now what do you find in these quotes? Quotes are the instruments you want to trade. You can see them here. These are the instruments you want to trade. These are forex currency pairs. We have Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CHF, USD JPY, and so on. If you want to add another instrument to trade, or you want to remove some of these instruments right now, you just click on this plus sign here. Okay, click on the plus sign. So let's do that now. Okay, so when you click on the plus sign, you can add more symbols. Here you have the option to add forex pairs, to add metas like gold US dollar, gold euro, gold Australian dollar, silver US dollar, silver euro, palladium versus US dollar, and platinum versus US dollar. You also have the option to add indexes. You can see them here. Then there are also some brokers that offer crypto instruments, like you can trade crypto pairs too in your MT5. Now let's go back. Now if you come to this charts here, there you'll be able to see the price movement of that particular currency you want to trade. Currently we're looking at the chart of Euro USD. You can see it here. We're looking at the chart of Euro USD on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, you can view this price movement on different time frames. If you want to change your time frame, this is where you go to this place here. That's where you touch. Okay, you can see it. We have the M1 stands for 1 minute, M5, that's 5 minutes. M15, that's 15 minutes. 30 minutes. H1 is 1 hour. H4 is 4 hours. D1 is daily. W1 is weekly. MN is the monthly chart. Okay, so when you've installed your MT5, just play around with it, test the various charts, just the various time frames, and observe our price moves on those time frame. Now what you are seeing now on the screen, this pattern, this thing that looks like zigzags, these candles, yeah, these candles, the green and the red, they are called candlestick. Okay, they are called candlesticks, Japanese candlesticks. It helps traders to carry out analysis on the currency pair they want to trade. Okay, now let's look at another chart of a different currency pair. Can just click on this place. Let's go to GBP USD. So this GBP USD chart, still on the 5-minute time frame. You can actually zoom in and scroll backward. Now there's these settings I want you to work on your MT5. You see this grid, these tiny lines. Yeah, I want to remove them. So just touch on your screen, go to the settings, scroll down to colors, the grid, change it to plain black, touch save. Then I also want to show period separators. That's here. I want you to activate it, so you select it, and let's go back to the chart. You can see now our chart is plain and clearer now. Okay, then this period separator, which is this let me go to the higher time frame. Let me go to 15 minutes. These two lines here, these two vertical dotted lines here, they represent the movements that occurred in one full day. That's from, okay, let me use that's from this place to this place. Yeah, it represents the price movements of GBP USD in one full day. It's the same thing with every other pair. So a period separator just shows you the price movements within a certain time range. Like this one now, it's showing the range for the whole day. Okay, if I go to the H1 time frame now, you can see the period separator from year to year. That's one full day. Let me go to the H4. While on the H4, the period separator shows the range of one whole week. These whole movements happened in 1 week. Okay, while on the daily time frame, this period separator shows the price movements within a month. Yeah, this whole gap is 1 month on the daily time frame. All right, yeah, so let's move on. That's all about period separator. Let me go back to 50 minutes time frame. Now let's check on trade. Okay, so if you click on trade, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see your account balance, your equity, and your free margin for this demo account. I already explained everything about balance, about equity, and free margin in my previous video, I think. So just take our time to check it out if you have not watched it yet. Okay, next we go to history. Okay, in the history, what you find there is your the profit you've made in your accounts, the deposits, swap, commission, balance. In short, every history, every trade you've taken in your account, you can view it here in this history. You can click on this calendar here at the top right side of the screen to select the period you want to view. You want to view the trades you took during that certain period. Can be last week, can be last month, can be last 3 months. You can as well custom the period. Okay, so that's what this history part is all about. On messages, you get notifications from MT5 or messages from your registered broker if they want to notify you about any changes or in your accounts or any updates to their trading conditions or trading system. Most times they notify you through your MT5. Okay, they also notify you through your email address. Now let me show you how to open a trade, because that's the main thing I'll be teaching you today, how to open a trade. Okay, so we'll be using GBP for that example. If you want to open a trade, you simply click on this this icon here on the top right side of your screen. Okay, so here you can see the sell button and the buy button. Okay, then this number in the middle is where you input your lot size for that particular trade you want to open. I already explained about lot size. You can go check my previous videos, you'll see it there. I explained everything you need to know about lot sizes. Okay, so let me take a trade now. First of all, I want to adjust my lot size. I want to use 2 mini lots, so that's 0.20. So all I have to do now is click on buy. Since I'm opening a trade on this MT5 account for the first time, you will be asked, this message will pop up. All you need to do is click I accept these terms and conditions and hit OK. So now we can open any trade without that message popping up on our screen again. Now I'm going to hit on buy. You can see the trade is open. I just took a buy trade on GBP. You can see it now. Already I'm at loss, and I'm sure you know why. It's because of the spread. In case you don't know, I explained that in my video about spread. Yeah, so until the market moves above my entry threshold, that's when I enter profits. That's when I begin to make profits on this trade. Okay, you can see the margin they took for this position I opened, $200, or rather 200 GBP, because this account is in GBP, British pound. So they took 200 British pounds for this position I opened right now. And you can see my balance, my remaining free margin is 9,798. Yeah. Okay, now let's move on to the second part of this video, where I'll be explaining to you what take profit, stop loss, and other types are. Starting with what is take profit. Now, in this, using this trade that we took right now, this buy trade I just opened, if I want to set take profit is going to be above the entry position. It's going to be above the entry position since it's a buy trade. Now, this take profit is quoted at a price. It's a certain price level that you instruct your broker to close you out of the trade whenever the market pushes to that price. You understand? Okay, let me set my take profit first. So just touch the order position, click on TP. TP is an acronym for take profit. So you drag it up. It has to be above your entry price. So I want my take profits to be at let me say, okay, I want my take profit to be at this price level. That's 1.28600. Okay, so this is just like me telling my broker to close the trade when it's sorry, I moved it. Okay, now I click on this arrow sign and hit modify. So this is my take profit target. So your take profit is just, it's an order you give to your broker to informing them to close the trade for you in profits whenever the market pushes to this price level. You get? So even if you're not online, you're not monitoring your screen, your charts, your trade, the broker automatically closes the trade for you once price gets to that your take profits level. Okay, then my stop loss, when you want to set stop loss for a buy trade, is always at the bottom part of your entry. Okay, now if I want to set my stop loss, I just touch the order position. So if I want to set my stop loss now, I just need to touch this is my buy trade now. Select SL. SL means stop loss. So I drag it to wherever I want to put it. Okay, I want my SL to be here at this price level. Okay, so this SL gives my broker the command to close my trade in loss. Whenever the market goes below this price, I want my broker to close me out of the trade in loss. Okay, the reason why they provide stop loss is so that you don't end up losing all your money in your account, because there's the possibility that market can just keep on going down, and once market does such a thing, it can lead to you blowing your accounts, losing everything, all your capital. So to avoid this, you set a stop loss in your trade. So once market goes below your stop loss order, your broker automatically closes that trade for you. Okay, that's what we call money management. I'll talk more about it in another video. Okay, so the opposite is the case for a sell trade. So now let me take a sell trade, but I don't want to take it in this same pair. Let's go to another pair. Let's go to USD JPY. Okay, sell. All right, so when you take a sell trade, your take profit is always going to be at the bottom of your entry order. Then this will be your take profit. Then your stop loss is always above your entry position. This is for a sell trade. And let me set a TP and stop loss. Set a TP here and set stop loss above the entry position. Okay, so for a sell position, your stop loss is always above your entry, while your take profit is below your entry. So that's that for take profit and stop loss. This trade is moving straight to my stop loss. Oh, you can see it here. My USD JPY. I'm running that loss. Price is pushing straight to my stop loss. While on the trade I took on the GBP USD, price is actually moving up. So currently I'm in a profit of $3. Yeah, that's trading. That's how trading is. And this is how you open your trading positions. Then there's another thing you need to know is called order types. Order types. When you want to open a trade, okay, you can see that my trade on USD JPY has hit stop loss. So you can find it here in the history part of the trading. Now the last thing I want to explain to you now is order types. Okay, they are the type of orders you can give to your broker when you want to open a trade position. Simply go to trade, click on this plus sign at the top right side of your screen. You can see the various trade orders. You can see the various order types we have in the market. We have the instant execution. What this means is that the moment you click buy or sell, your broker puts you in that trade immediately. Immediately you click buy or sell. Okay. While the buy limit and sell limit is an order type that instructs your broker to open a trade for you when price moves to that particular price that you set that limit order. Okay, like the buy limit now. Buy limit is always placed at the bottom of the current price level. So it's an order you give to your broker that telling them that when price drops to that particular level, the broker should open a buy position for you. While the sell limit is the opposite. It's you telling your broker to open a trade for you when price pushes up to that particular price limit, that particular price. Yeah, so once price pushes up to that price that you set as your sell limit, your broker will automatically open a sell position for you. You understand? Why the buy stop and sell stop are okay, let me start with the buy stop. The buy stop, it's you giving your broker an order to open a buy position for you once price pushes up to a certain price and still pushes further. So you are like predicting markets to continue going up, but you don't want to enter the buy position at the current price, market price, but you want your broker to take a buy trade for you once it pushes to that price you're expecting the market to get to first. Okay, then for the sell stop, is you telling your broker to open a sell position for you once price drops below or a certain price limit. Okay, now the buy stop limit and sell stop limit is these two other types. They are only available on your MT5. You can't find them in MT4 for now. The buy stop limit and sell stop limits, they combine both limits and stop order. So that's why the name buy stop limit and sell stop limits. For the buy stop limit, the instruction you are giving to your broker is that you are predicting that markets will still push upwards, but you want it to push past a certain price first, then you are expecting it to also pull back down to that price again. So that pullback to that price again is where your broker will not trigger you, will not open the buy position for you. That's the buy stop limit. Then the buy trade will not continue. Then the sell stop limit is you setting, giving your broker the instruction to open a sell position for you only when price has dropped below that sell that price you gave to your broker. Once price drops below it and pulls back to it, and crosses it a little bit, that's when your broker will now open that position for you, that sell position for you, and market continues. Okay, this buy stop limit and sell stop limits, traders hardly use it. So the most common order types are the instant execution, the buy limit, sell limit, your buy stop, and sell stop. Okay, now that's everything you need to know about the various order types in the forex markets. Okay, yeah, there's also one called the trailing stop. The trailing stop is just you adjusting your stop loss when the market finally starts moving in your direction. Okay, so in a situation whereby this our buy trade now pushes to this region, pulls back, start going up again, it's advisable for you to trail your stop loss. So to trail your stop loss is just you adjusting this stop loss order that's pushing it upward, making it tight. You can see before initially when the stop loss was here, I was risking 15 British pounds. Okay, so by trailing the stop loss now, so let's say this price, my risk has reduced to 4 British pound. You can see it here. Risk has reduced to 4 British pounds. And that's trailing stop for you. You can also push your trailing stop to your entry threshold. Look at it. You can push it to your entry threshold. Now in a situation like this, I'm not risking anything anymore in the markets because my stop loss now is at break even. It's what you call break even in the forex markets. Okay, so if price eventually pulls back against me, I won't lose anything in this market because my broker will just automatically close the trade for me at break even. Okay, so this is everything you need to know about order types and take profit, stop loss, and how to navigate your meta. Okay, so another thing you can do with your MetaTrader 5 is carry out analysis. That I will explain in my next video. I will explain how to carry out analysis, forex analysis, how to know when to buy a market, when to buy, or when to buy and when to sell, Okay. Alright, there are still some features in this MT5 that I've not explained to you. If you touch this plus sign here, it's called the crosshair. It's called crosshair. Look at it. You can use it to check the date and time of a particular candlestick. You can also use it to check the price at this level, at any level at all on the chart. Then this other icon here is where you can select indicators. If you want to add indicators to your forex charts, that's where you go to. Yeah, so you can add indicators to your main charts. These are the various indicators available on MT5. Now, indicators, they help forex traders in carrying out analysis. There are various indicators. Some are used for checking out the trend of the markets. Some are used in gauging the trading volume of that particular currency. Yeah, but most traders trade without indicators as well. Yeah. Okay, so then this other icon here is where you can, is if you want to open pending orders like your buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. So that's where you go to. You just click it and see you can set your sell limits above, buy limit below, sell stop below, sell stop limits below. And above you can set your sell limits, set your buy stop, set your buy stop limits. So guys, that's everything you need to know about the MT5 trading platform. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.